All right, YouTube, welcome back to Process for Profits. I am Puri, all service business, all success, service business simplified. And in this video, I want to talk to you guys about why construction cleaning is still a lot better than normal office cleaning to me, some trajectories, some projections, what I'm seeing in my small business groups, and the advice I think you guys should be taking and looking forward to taking. So we're going to get into it right now. As business owners, we're all business owners. I want you to be business owners. So if you're a business owner and you were paying attention to the CARES Act and the stimulus bill and what was passed and what your options and availabilities were, then you would know that in the economic injury disaster loan, construction companies, as well as the PPP loan, construction companies took a vast majority of those funds. What does that mean? For me, I'm projected to say the industry is going to grow. It's going to be great. On top of the silver boom, that's where a lot of the baby boomers are coming back onto the market. And guess what they've been building nonstop, guys? Active senior living and all the other phases that I discussed in the next video. In the last video, I should say, and if you didn't watch it, be sure to check out that video where I detail what you should be looking forward and getting into. So senior living is booming. As far as bills go, hotels are booming as far as bills go. Building goes. I don't know about the hotels, but I'm gonna lean on the hotels being built still because of the ozone, and that's the Opportunity Zone Fund and everything like that. So I think hotels are still gonna go up. As far as commercial space, so this is for construction cleaning, guys. So we're cleaning new buildings that they're building. This is great for us. Conversely, there are a group of cleaners that only do office cleans monthly. And what are we living through right now? What are we going through right now? A lot of those buildings are now empty because those operations have now had to go into a work from home scale. So if you ask me, and in a lot of my groups, I'm being told that these guys are saving upwards of $2 million, be it a year, be it a month, on office space and all that entails, the insurance, the lighting, utilities, all of that. So if they're saving $2 million a month, and they said they see that in a matter of weeks, they were able to completely change their operation to work from home. What does that mean for the office cleaner? I'm going to say that a lot of these corporate buildings are going to be empty come 2021, 22. Meaning they're going to go through their leases. A lot of them are 5-year, 10-year leases. So I think once they finish out their leases, if they're not retail stores or restaurants, they're going to go to a work from home model, meaning they're going to cut their costs first. They're going to get lean. That's $2 million off the top. Even if they put 30% of that money back into marketing, they're going to get so much more return as opposed to just paying for an office space that they did not own. Now, I'm not saying that to bash any of the cleaners that are doing office cleaning. I'm saying all of this to say to you guys this. If you are solely dependent upon office cleaning, get out now. Diversify now. Add to your niche now. Because in a matter of 24 months, these buildings are going to come empty. Now, unless you're in the banking, hospitals, government buildings, sheriff offices, things like that, a little bit different. You're going to remain. Those contracts are going to remain. But if you're just a freestanding office complex where businesses move in and businesses move out, I would be a little bit wary, and I would start looking around and trying to find a way to diversify my product and my offerings. Now, the course is still $99.99 for now. It's going to go up Monday. So I feel like sales have gone down because I've lowered the price to a point where you guys can get in, because I understand the current circumstances and the economic circumstances of everybody. But it's almost as if I'm cheating myself. And so the price is going to go back up. I'm not going to raise it up to full price because I still want to be able to help you guys but it's going to be at a price point where I know you're going to get in and you're going to do the work. I can see if you guys just log in and don't do nothing. Do the work. Because you never know. Once I see someone logs in and does the work, they may get an email. Hey, let's jump on the phone, free 15-minute consult. Some of the people that bought the course 2 or 3 weeks ago, they've gotten those phone calls. But it's only after completion. Time is valuable. And I want to be able to add value if I'm talking to you. I got other things to do. You have other things to do. So the premise of this video is the construction company and the construction industry got a vast majority of money out of this stimulus package. So for a good bit, they're not really relying on the banks for funding. They've been padded. The feds have lowered the interest rate. We got QE going on. And they're only lending to people with credibility and cash. The construction companies, the developers. Everybody's looking for the market to crash, but they're still building. So if they can acquire the land for cheaper, they can make more of a profit eventually. So just think about it, guys. If you are an office cleaner and all you clean is offices, think about the current trajectory. Yes, those offices will need to be clean. They will need to have an ongoing sanitizing situation so they can be abide by the CDC guidelines. True. But they're also going to be moving out of those buildings, guys. So again, I'm Perry, Process for Profits, all service business, all success, service business simplified. I'll catch y'all later. The dogs is turned up.